Hello. In the previous videos, we have learned that how to import data using the Excel files into the Power BI for data transformation and data cleaning. Before that, we have also learned that how to interpret the data and what to analyze, how to evaluate these details. We will be further pursuing the same project, 65 Business Bank, and we will be analyzing after data cleaning and data transformation. We will be today we will be focusing on data visualizations, that how to present the data, what graphs to be used, or what chart types to be used exactly in different requirements. Like if we require a customer demographic segmentation, and we are analyzing age, gender, income, what chart types should be used for this, and transaction volumes, what chart types should be used for transaction volumes and geographical transaction. There are different chart types. Let's directly get into the Power BI. Here's our data that we have imported, and we have transformed the data after data cleaning, removing the errors that we have seen in the previous video. I will share the link of the previous video also. So after data cleaning and transformation and modeling, that how to connect the different files within the Power BI for better visualization. Like we have learned these in the previous lectures. Today we will be focusing on the reports. Like we have different chart types here: uh, s- stacked bar chart, stacked column chart, clustered bar chart, clustered column chart, 100% stacked bar charts. So we have different a number of chart types. Like here we have funnel, then we have decomposition tree. You will find a number of chart types here, but what to be used for what purpose? It will be you will learn this over time. With experience, you will get better into this. That what chart type should be used. Like here we have. I will tell you basic things, very basic things here. Like here we have card brands. If we want to analyze that what card brands uh, are most used, like the count of card numbers by card brands, like which card brand has more users base. Like Mastercard has 635 card types, credit cards, and 2191 debit cards in Mastercard, and the debit only is 383. These are the counts. For this type of analysis, we should be using the bar chart. Here it is the column chart. We will be using column chart, a clustered column chart. We will have different aspects for the same Mastercard, like credit, debit, and debit prepaid. Same for the Visa and other cards like Discover and Amex. We are using a clustered column chart for this type of analysis. Here we have used line charts. We can use the other type charts or type of charts, like we can use like column chart. Here not let me Yeah, now it is get back to that. Here we can use other chart types. Like if I'm not interested in using the line chart here, what other chart types I can use? Let's use bar charts. We cannot see that what is happening right here. Nothing is clear with bar charts, but if we use line chart, it is very much clear. We can analyze that over the years. Like in 2000, the number of cards were less. Some of number of cards issued were lower in numbers. Then over the years, like in 2010 it was highest, then it dropped further, and in 2020 it peaked to 1746. The sum of new cards, number of cards issued in 2020 were 1746. 1746 cards have been issued in 2020. This is very easy to analyze using using the line chart, but you have seen that if we use other chart types, it is not very much visible, or we cannot interpret the data very easily. So what chart type to be used is very much important in this for visualization, because in Power BI we mostly use Power BI for visualization. So you need to be very specific for what chart type to be used. After chart type, we need to analyze that how to categorize these different aspects. Like if we are focusing on the category spending, we should have one window for category spending. All of the category spending should be in this one report. It must be important to ingrain this detail. Like if we get back to the our requirement 365 business bank document, that they categorically said that for card usage and performance analysis there should be one report that includes cards attributes such as card type, card brand, credit card limits, then expire dates and chip usage alongside transaction performance. So all of these aspects should be in one single report, or you can say that in one single page. You have to use the minimum number of visualizations to represent all of these details. So this is very much important to understand this aspect also. The first thing is chart type, then using the page very intelligently, consuming the less space. By this way you can see that only four charts have been used and the right chart types should be used. It is very important to understand these two aspects, chart types and the utilization of page space to represent the maximum details. Then comes the storytelling. You should be presenting the data in a very much story like format, like how is the sales are it is if it is related to sales are increasing or decreasing, then the second step would be why the sales are increasing, what aspects helped in sales increase, or in what regions sales are increasing, what products are more adding value in sales increase. So these aspects are important in visualizations, charts, then utilization of page, and then storytelling from your format, like where to place the card usage, at first place or at this place. First would be transaction volume, that how much transaction is transacted, how much money has been transacted, then income spending, then category spending, which categories, like it is should be a funnel like structure throughout your report, or the dashboard should be presenting all of these things very accurately. Dashboard comes at the later stage, but first comes the chart type, then the page, then the storytelling, then you create the dashboard. So this is how the things work in visualization, starting from the basic to the end. Like storytelling flows from what analysis should be presented first, then how it will be funneling to the second base or the second analysis, then what chart type should be used, and then comes the coloring. Like you have seen that the same colors should be used in all reports or in all pages to maintain the to maintain your uh, presentation. Like the viewer should not be judging that what this color represent or what that color represent. Yeah, here you can see that we have used the scatter plot. Scatter plots tell the story that over the time what is the trend in yearly income or the spending, how the debt or the yearly income is related. When yearly income is increasing, the debt is also increasing, the risk tolerance of users is also increasing when their income increases. To analyze these analyses, we use the scatter plots, or you can see scatter charts. Dashboards give you a feasibility to move from one page to another with very much ease. Then you have different aspects like buttons, keep or the cards to tell you the numbers. Like here it will give you numbers of average per capita income, average total debt. These are cards, and there should be buttons to move from one page to another. You can use different ways for better visualization. At the end it is your visualizations that how intelligently or how creatively you can present your reports. Data after data transformation and data analysis that are more of a technical skills, it is presentation is more of a um, you can say art. You how you present your data or how you present your findings to the managers or the team you are presenting it to. So these details should be kept in mind, that how to improve your presentation or visualization. So in visualization we have learned that there are chart types, like you have seen that decomposition tree other than line chart, bar chart, cluster bar chart, funnel charts. Let me show you that what is decomposition tree. In another report I have prepared it, like what is decomposition tree. Decomposition tree tells you that how the things flows. Like if the sum of profits is 1 million, then in what products we have the highest or the lowest value, or by category we can categorize that this like technologies participating with the highest numbers in sum of profits. Then you can use you can categorize it with the category basis, and if you're not interested in high value, like office supplies, furnitures, how these are adding values in the profits. This is how the decomposition tree is used. Then there is funnel charts. Funnel charts give you a complete story, like from one, starting from one category and profits, it decomposes to the final product that is most effectively or most efficiently working in the specific region, or in specific category. So you can use different charts like in pie charts or your donut charts. You have a number of options to use, but at the end it is your creativity how you effectively use the different chart types, how to present your findings, how to narrate the story to the viewers or the managers, for so they can effectively understand that what is happening with their products or the services that they are offering. So these are basic things to understand. Then you can in the previous video I have also told you that how to use the view. You can change the color themes from here. You can choose any color theme like here, or you can browse the themes. If you have any company specific themes, you can browse and upload the themes from your system, or if it is available online, you can access from those spots. You can download the JSON file for any themes. Like if you like this report, the color combinations, you can completely copy this color combination by downloading their JSON file, and you can then just ingrained or use the same color theme in your dashboard that you have created already. It is very easy to use it, and there is not much difficulty in understanding these aspects. Let me share, like you can download the theme JSON file like here. You can easily download it, then go back to your dashboard and choose from here browse for themes. When you click on browse for themes, it will allow you to upload or upload the theme, and the same theme will be ingrained in your present dashboard. All of the colors used in different reports will be the same that has been used in this report that you have downloaded from the JSON in the JSON file. Like they have these colors, the color combination they have used looks very attractive. How they have used the cards, how they present the data, and this is very interesting way. So this is the way I have told you is very basic to understand. It was a macroscopic analysis that how to understand the Power BI, what is in Power BI. In the next few videos we will be diving deep into how to do the transformation exactly, what steps are included, and how to use each step accurately. uh, you can say that diving deep into these aspects, then publishing dashboards and all of the aspects. So that's it includes a macroscopic analysis of macroscopically telling you that how Power BI works. Hope you like it. If you have any queries or anything to ask, you can drop down your comments. Thank you.